Hey everyone, my name is Tom Kras. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at a System 100 1-to-1 Dual VCF. This is part of the Behringer's remake of the System 100, and it's my first Eurorack setup, and they're pretty cheap, I have to say. I mean, I got a lot of these on Amazon. All of them were pretty much less than €100 each. Quality is quite good, and I've already did a previous video on the VCO as part of this range, so let's take a look at this. We'll do some unboxing. So inside the box, we've got a nice manual. It's pretty much thingamajiggy and higgledy. Hey everyone, my name is Tom Kras. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the System 100 1-to-1 Dual VCF voltage control filter. This is part of Behringer's remake of the System 100 line, and it's my first Eurorack environment. I've not used Eurorack before this, and these are all really good value and good entry points for the Eurorack environment. So I bought pretty much all of these. They're all less than €100 each, so it's pretty good value. And today I just wanted to go through the filter and unbox it and maybe make some noise with it. Okay. So first of all, that's what we got in the box. We've got a quick start guide. Quick start guide is quite, it's basic. Tells you what all the inputs are, tells you what all the outputs are, tells you the power connections. Doesn't really go into much details about any advanced configuration, or no mention of any types of patches, which is okay. That's fine. I mean, let's have a look at the device itself. We've got, wrapped in bubble wrap. But first of all, what else have we got in the box? We got 4 screws, as usual. No extra, so don't drop them. We got a power supply cable. Not really much you can say about this. It's there. And the actual module itself. Let's take a look. Okay, so like the VCO, the oscillator that I did in the last video, I do like this. I mean, the build quality is quite good. It does look a bit plasticky from a distance and in pictures, but it's not. It's actually metal. It's got 3 signal inputs. It's got 3 modulation inputs. It's a dual VCF, which means it's actually 2 VCFs for the price of 1. So for less than €100, you're getting 2 VCFs. It's got some sliders to manage the cutoff and the resonance. I like the sliders. They're quite solid and stable. A little bit of wobble, but you'd expect that with sliders. It's got some encoders for the modulation input and for the signal input, and they're quite stiff, firm. Not really much wobble with them. Good quality again. There's 2 outputs for the VCF, which is quite useful, and you also have this high pass filter. 3 different settings, 1, 2, and 3. So I mean, that's pretty much it. It looks good. It's quite slim. Fit nicely in my rack. Let's rack it up and see where it goes. Okay, talk soon. Welcome back. So we have the VCF now racked. We have it racked with a VCO, the 112 Behringer, the dual VCO. We have it racked with the Behringer 305 mixer. You don't need the Behringer mixer. I mean, any mixer will do, but I just happen to have one. Okay, so let's do some patching. So we will take the output of the first VCO and put it into the signal in of the VCF. We will take the output of the second VCO and put that into the second input of the VCF. And we will take the second output of the first VCO and stick that into the modulation of the second VCO, and then we will do the same for the other one. So each of these VCFs has 2 outputs, so we put output 1 into channel 1 and output 2 into channel 2 because this is kind of a stereo effect. Okay, so we've no VCOs here. Sorry, we have no LFOs here, so I don't really have much to modulate the VCF with. So I'm going to do a bit of self oscillation as modulation. So these things self-oscillate. What do I mean by that? Well, let me show you an example. So if I take the output from the VCF and put it into the mixer input, and then I turn the resonance all the way up, you should be able to hear something. I'm also using some reverb from the Korg NTS1 space. That's a very interesting sound. And use that sound to modulate the VCF. And I think we're good to go. So I'm going to find some interesting sounds on the VCO, and then we'll mess around with the filter. I'm going to shut up now, and yeah, let's go. Let's see what we can do. Some interesting sounds can be gotten with just 2 modules. Very interesting sounds indeed. I kind of really like this filter. I've used no other filters before, this one, and I do like it. Okay, so my name is Tom Kras. If you got something out of this, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments in the comment section, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.